a simple side hustle that you can do with AI in 2025.
And side hustle is writing SEO-optimized blogs with AI. First, go to trends.google.com to understand what are the keywords that people are currently searching for. The blog that I want to write right now is apps to learn Chinese. Hence, I put a bunch of keywords here to actually compare the trends and search volume between them. You can just click on the plus button here. Once you add a bunch of keywords, you can filter it out. So in my case, I filter by worldwide, 1 year, all categories, and web search. And I can clearly see that the most trending search is learning Chinese as opposed to every other search keyword that I have. You can also use more advanced tools like answerthepublic.com. You can enter the keyword here and you will see more additional statistics about search volume, cost per click, and keyword difficulty. So the keyword difficulty is how hard it is to rank on this keyword. But you can see more statistics here compared to trends.google. However, a bunch of statistics are behind paywall. Once you have keyword defined, go to chatgpt.com, register if you don't have an account, and then you can use this prompt to start writing your blog. So I am writing an article about, in quotes, the title of my blog, and then I want you to help me to brainstorm 3 different angles for introduction of the article. Make sure the introductions identify an issue and how this article is the solution. Make it clear who and how this article will help. Now, this prompt worked for me, however, it might not work for you. I suggest you to experiment and find different practices and actually save your prompts. So in this case, once we have introduction, I can choose an angle. Next, choose your angle and ask what you wanted to write about. In my case, it's a list of different Chinese learning apps with their summaries. Then, make sure the steps are clear and concise. Make sure non-technical average person is able to perform these steps immediately. This prompt might be different for you. As I told you, you should adjust and save the prompts that worked for you. You can experiment a lot. So in this case, it outputted a nice list of apps. So I'm going to copy paste it into Google Docs. So Google Docs does not need introduction, and I have the blog pasted here. The reason why I paste it here, so I can have an easier time to edit this entire content, verify these links, and add my own original touch to it. And also, small tip, I suggest you to go to grammarly.com and register here and paste your entire content there to verify for grammar errors. Don't forget, despite the fact that AI generated content is quite good, as you can see here, I suggest you to add your original value, original review. Make sure you review all the links, make sure you verify the facts, make sure you add your own formatting here so that the blog is actually valuable and enjoyable to read. Once you can produce good quality blogs consistently, go to findusers.ai. This tool will help you to find the users who will actually buy your services, so you can offer them a blog writing, a content writing services. This tool is free. You can just click on get started here, register, and it will find all the users online who are complaining about the problem that you are trying to solve. Thank you, good luck.